Good morning, all the students of third standard. Yesterday I gave some work. I hope you have completed that one. Today we will see the next lesson, chapter 4, the states of India, page number 21, and a photo of this lesson. If you not have the textbook, then photo of this lesson I have sent there in a group there. So we'll start this lesson. The state of India. Some of the points are here for the learnings. There's the political divisions of India. Next one point, that is the states of India and their capital cities there. This one I told you to write as your homework. And the union territories and their capitals also. Union territory and the capital cities. All that information is here. So map is here. In this map, if you see, then we can understand. All the states are there and their capital city is in the circle and dot is there in middle. For example, Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar is their capital city. Rajasthan, Jaipur is there. Gujarat, Gandhinagar is there. Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal is there. Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow is there. Punjab, Chandigarh is there. Dehradun, Uttarakhand, Dehradun is there. Himachal Pradesh, Shimla is there. Bihar, Patna is there. Jharkhand, Ranchi is there. Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Telangana, Hyderabad. Andhra Pradesh is there. Combined it is. Karnataka, Bengaluru. Puducherry is Yanam. Tamil Nadu, Chennai is there. And so this information is given here. Many states are there and their capital city is there. So you can understand by reading this map. See, India is the 7th largest country in the world. As you know that our country or India is the 7th largest country in the world. It is everybody knows that our country is the biggest country there. So it is called as the 7th largest country in the world. In our world, more than 195, 200 nearby countries are there. In that 200 countries nearby, that India's position is the 7th position. It is on the 7th position. If we see the area size of our country, then it is on the 7th position still. India's population is more than 120 crore or now present time 130 crore. Our population of our country, the peoples in our country, they are more than 120 here they give, but it is in present time they are more than 130 crore peoples they are there in our country. Population of our country is more than. Hence, India is the second most populated country in the world. So, our country or India is a second largest populated country in the world. Area wise, if we see that, then India's position is on the 7th positions in area wise condition situation that or the term. And if you see the population wise, then India is on the second largest position, the second largest country there. It is on the second position. So our country, our India is on the second position there, according to the population. So population is more of our country there. So it is the second largest populated country in the world after China. So first one country, that is China. China is the first number country, that China, this country is in the first position or it is in the first number sequence there according to the population, that the population of the China is more there in comparison of the India. So India is on the second position there according to the population wise. New Delhi is the capital of India, as we know that, or everybody knows that, which is the capital city of our country or the capital city of India. Then everybody, they will tell that, they are able to tell the answer, that is the Delhi. Delhi is the capital city of India, or Delhi is the capital of our country. Delhi city. So Delhi is the capital of India there. The central government in New Delhi, central government of our country, it is in New Delhi. Delhi is also called as New Delhi. Central government, union government, prime ministers who look after the affair administration of our entire country. That government, it is in New Delhi. That government is in Delhi there. So central government in New Delhi take care of welfare and security of the people. So this government, it will take care and it will look after the welfare of our country. Central government, it will take care and look after the welfare of our country there. Which central government is there? Union government or central government look after the welfare of our country, look after the administration of our country. Central government or the union government, which is situated or located in the New Delhi, it look after the welfare and the security of our country there. Security of the country or security of the people of India there. Central government responsibility there. Union government or the central government responsibility to look after the welfare and the security of our country, or to protect our people there. People's security, it is in the central government hand there. So this is information is there. Below this map is also given here. India's map is given here, and all the states and their capital city is given, and state capital city is in a circle and their dot is there in middle that. So that the city we can understand as a capital city there. On the next page, page number 22, India is a big country. If we see our country, or if we see the India, it is a big country. So only it is called as the 7th largest country in the world. Our country, India, is the biggest country there. It is huge in size there. Area also more there. If we see from the north to the south, means from the Kashmir to the Kanyakumari, 3,200 kilometer, 3,200 kilometer distance is there from the north to the south there, and from Arunachal Pradesh to the Gujarat, if you see that east to west, 3,000 kilometer distance is there. So it is the biggest country there. It is huge in size. Like all big countries in the world, India is also divided into the different states. Whatever the big countries are there in the world, like all the big countries in the world, our country or our India is also divided into the states. It is divided into the different part. It is divided into the different group there. India has divided into the different states there. For example, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu. All these are the states of our country there. The states have their own government. Each and every state has its own government. What are the states are there in our country? That each and every state has its own government. For example, Maharashtra state is there. Maharashtra own government is there. Maharashtra's government. Chief Minister is there of the Maharashtra. Uddhav Thackeray, present Chief Ministers. So each and every state has its own government. That India also has a few union territories. Along with the state, our country, or in our country, there are some union territories are there. 29 states are there and 7 union territories are there. Some union territories are there under the control of the union government or the central government. 29 states are there. Chief Minister look after the affair or administration of the state. Maharashtra state is there. Chief Minister of the Maharashtra, that is Uddhav Thackeray. He look after the administration of our Maharashtra state. So along with the state, some union territories are there. The map of India on the previous page, on that page we have seen the map of our country, the map of India. So if you want to see them once again, I will show that map of India is here. You can see this map of India here. Clearly you can see the map of India, and in this map of India This is all the states are there. In middle, circle and dot is there. That is the capital city of that state. Capital city of that state is there. And here is our Maharashtra there. Mumbai is the capital there. So like you say, all the states are there and the capital city is in circle and dot is in middle. So that is the capital city of that state. So we have seen this map of our country. So we have seen the India's map on the previous page, shows the state and the union territories. This map shows the state and it shows the union territories of our country. States are also there and union territories of our country. 1 minute. So what is there? Union territories are there. There are 29 states and 7 union territories in India. Total how many? 29 states are there and 7 union territories are there in our country. 7 union territories. How many territories are there? 7 union territories are there in India there. 29 states and total 7 union territories are there in India. So we can understand situation there of our country. Every state has its own capital. Each and every state of our India has its own capital city there. Each and every state. The main office of the state governments are located in their capital cities. As I told that Maharashtra's capital is Mumbai. So each and every state has a capital city there and the main offices of the states are located into their capital city. Administrative offices, departments, they are located, they are situated into their capital city. Each and every state has its own capital and the administration work of their capital is means their administration of their state department of their state is in their capital city there. So capital cities are there, states are also there and the capital cities are also there. Here is the list of the state and the union territories of India. Here they give the information. Here they give the list of the state and the union territories of our country. Information is here, list is here, union territories and along with their capital. State and union territories there and their capital cities, the information is given here. One side states names are there and one side what is that? The capital states, capital cities name are here. So they gave the information about each and every state from India and the capital city of that state. 29 states are there in our country. So 29 states name they gave, the capital cities name of the 29 capital cities name they gave here another side exactly in front of that, and along that 7 union territories are there and the capital of the union territories also given there. 7 union territory and the capital of union territory. This also informations they gave here. So that all the states and the capital city of the state or the union territory and the capital of union territory, that informations we will see in the next video. So till that time we study this one. Thank you very much.